DePauw University is a residential liberal arts college in Greencastle, Indiana. It's very important for us to have sustainability projects for the students because that is a way that they can physically see the things that they are learning about in their campus. It's all well and good to change out the light bulbs, but that hardly makes a dramatic wow statement. Whereas having solar panels really demonstrates that DePauw has arrived in a certain kind of important way in terms of the sustainability conversation.
As we were looking across campus what would make a good location for a solar array, track and tennis really stuck out because of its location. No shading, pure south facing, and a very large roof so that we could place a lot of panels and make a pretty large project out of it.
It's a very popular center on campus. We have lots of student athletes, and it's not only for our current students, but also for community and alumni. We have a huge pride in our campus. In the indoor track and tennis facility, we have our highest electrical rates. It's different from the electrical rates in other places on campus. Therefore, replacing purchased electricity in that location with solar electricity, it's actually very financially favorable.
The first benefit that sticks out, right, is just energy reduction, cost reduction from our utility. This project will offset about 30% annually. That's well over $100 and some thousand a year savings for the university just in electric bills.
What I really like is that there is a dashboard. So at any time, anybody anywhere in the world can log on to see what is our solar array doing right now. How much energy is it producing? How much energy of the building is it offsetting? And then really importantly, how much carbon dioxide is it saving? About
a third of the use of this facility will be offset now by our own solar generation, and that equates to cost and it equates to emissions reductions, CO2 reductions for the campus. We looked at 2 or 3 different suppliers. SunPeak came out as our lowest cost option and had the greatest amount of experience and installs across the Midwest, so we had good confidence in them. We were happy to work with SunPeak because of 3 different reasons. First, the reputation. So our alumni champion on this project was familiar with and had worked with SunPeak before, and so that was important for us that we knew that there was high quality there. And the high quality is, of course, the second reason, that this is something that is going to be on our campus. We need to make sure that as we promote it to the town and to our future students, it's important that the companies that DePauw works with are supporting the same kind of values that the university promotes. I think SunPeak did a great job for us. It's a great install, and we've had absolutely no problems since it's been in service.
It's really important to have a partner when one works on a solar project like this. They recognize the educational value of partnering with the university. This project is so important, so critical. Sustainability is a way to empower student ideas. The possibilities are endless, and we really look forward to working with the faculty and the classes to make opportunities available for students as they go out and become leaders in the world.